Welcome to this week's Salt Lake County housing market update. If you're wondering whether the market is favoring buyers or sellers, the numbers are clear. Salt Lake County has a median home sales price of $572,000. Pending sales are up 14.1%, and we have a 2.9-month supply of homes available. Days on market is 48 days, which means the 2.9 months of supply and 48 days means that if the home is priced correctly, it's going to sell. It also means that there are more buyers than there are sellers. 2.9 months is not an average housing market. It's not a balanced housing market. It's much more favors the seller. So we have more buyers in the market, and we have more homes going into contract, and they're going into contract faster. Statewide, if we look statewide, we have 13,650 active listings. We sold 736. Under contract for the last week was 880. Statewide, our days on market, that's taking every county into consideration, our days on market is 56. However, people understand that homes are selling, and so they're starting to cut their prices to make sure they get in line with what the market will bear. I have charged for days. We've been following this data for quite a while. Salt Lake has the tightest market, the most seller favorable market of all three. The state supply, state has the 4.1 month supply. That number is inflated because of the May holiday closings. This is a new high for us, 1,593 price reductions. But days on market is going down pretty good. If you price it right, you'll move fast. For buyers, there are opportunities. While the market remains competitive, there are more active listings available than earlier this year. Homes that have been on the market longer may offer opportunities for negotiating closing costs, repairs, or rate buy downs. So if you're a buyer looking in the market right now and you notice that home has been on the market for longer than 48 days, that seller is probably amenable to paying your closing costs or helping with your buy down. The biggest takeaway from this Salt Lake County housing market update is simple. Demand remains strong, inventory remains relatively light, and the market continues to favor prepared buyers and realistic sellers. If you're a seller or you're thinking about selling, we're in a great window right now where there's more buyers than there are good homes for sale. If you'd like to know what these numbers mean for your specific neighborhood or your specific situation, reach out. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.